Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Cloud Box. This is the next video inside the Databricks playlist, and in my previous video I have covered how to create mount point, how to read the files, how to do a select transformation, how to do a filter transformation, how to rename the column with various methods, how to do a select transformation using various methods. So these are the very unique method that hardly on the internet, like one or two method people are using, but I'm just trying to cover more and more methods. So I request you please, if you have not watched the video from the starting, so just go and watch the Databricks playlist. Or also if you want to learn the data factory, data flows kind of things, so that video also I have uploaded. So let's quickly, I'm starting as again I'm just showing you the data where it is present. It is present in the DBFS. In the DBFS, I have uploaded the data manually. So it is inside the file store. There is table, and in the table I have one data that is order.csv. Okay. I have already read those data, but again I'm going to read it for you. Uh, 1 second, I'm just going to read it again. Let me do one thing. I'll read it. I'll type the syntax again. No issues. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create one data frame, df underscore drop equal to spark dot read dot option. In the option, I'm just going to give like a header should be true, and directly I'm defining the format. In the format I'm just going to give this path. So just go to data again, just go to DAPVFS again, go to file store, go to tables, and just copy this path, this Spark API format. Okay. Just keep this path and just use display, and in the display just use df underscore drop. Now run this. We can see we are able to read the data, and we can see the data. Okay, so there is a function called a drop. The name itself tells like it is going to drop something or remove something. Okay, so what I'm going to give, I'm just going to remove any one or two columns. Like I just want to remove this item type and sales channel. Okay, so I'm going to use drop. It is very simple. We need to use drop function along with the data frame. Means data frame dot drop. In that I'm going to pass this item sales channel. Like if you want to remove one, so just mention one. After that I'm just going to give like order priority. Okay, and this I'm just going to store in drop one, and here I'm just going to use display, and this df underscore drop one I'm just going to print this. Now see, this sales channel and order priorities are not showing. Okay. As you can see, we have this column only, and in that there was item type. After that sales channel was there, so item type, and then sales channel got removed, and order priority also got removed. This order IDs are coming. This was one method how to remove a column. Similarly, we have same method only, but the way is slightly different. So df underscore drop 2, and I'm just going to take this only, just this only, and in that you can simply call this with column name. Just remove this string characters, and simply now this time let's remove the order ID, maybe order ID. I'm only removing one, this order ID one. So let's see. So very similar, nothing extra. That's only way of calling is like different approach I follow. Instead of like separated by string code, directly I call with the data frame. So similarly, we can use a call function also. So that also I'll show you. Let me copy this. I'll just change this one 3, and instead of drop like I'll use call, and in the call I'll just pass this. So very similar. Okay, and let me show this result. I guess order ID already got removed. Yeah, and now that I'm just going to remove this unit sold. Oh my god, this unit sold. Okay, let's see. You can see this unit sold got removed. If you want to see in proper format, just use display, and in the display just pass this df3, and we can see we will see like this unit sold columns got removed. Yeah, cool. So as of now we have learned like how to remove a column from a data frame. So for that we have a function called drop, and this drop function is going to remove the column name. We have different methods. We can simply pass the column name with a string. If you have multiple columns, we can pass like a comma. Then the same approach, in column name with data frame we will call. We will use the same drop function. It will also remove. And also we can use call function. If you are using for the first time, we need to import it. I have already using this notebook only for the learning purpose. So that's again and again I do not need to import it. So import call. Okay, this you will do and this will work. So hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, have a nice day.